Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Kick token and I will tell you my medium duration and long duration target for this token. So please thumbs up the like button right now and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page of Kick token and it is currently trading at 0.00073 dollars and price increases 37.2% in just 24 hours. In BTC pair price increases 33%, in Ethereum pair price increases 32%. And this is the website. Let me please visit the website and let me please show you the website. New Financial Reality. Kick ecosystem is a set of synergistically interacting fintech tools that form an one-stop shop for crypto and cover all the financial needs of each user from all over the world. This is the website and here you can see these are some information and roadmaps, Kick wallet, Kick ICO, Kick ID and some other things. Please do your own research before entering in this token and before buying this token. Because cryptocurrency is very risky and very volatile, I will not responsible for any of your investment loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let me please show you some statistics and after that I will tell you how much profit this token can give. I think 10x to 50x this token can easily give you in this year. Yes, I repeat my word. 10x to 50x is my target of this token. Why I am saying this, I will tell you in the charts. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 8.4 million. Circulating supply of this token is 7.2 trillion. And 24-hour trading volume of 24-hour low price of this token is $0.00053. And 24-hour high price of this token is $0.0007399. In 30 days, this token gives 881% profit to its holders. In 1 year, this token gives 6,429% profit to its holders. And all-time high of this token was on January 5, 2018, just about 3 years ago, and the price was $0.18. All-time low of this token was on December 25, 2020, 4 months ago, and the price was $0.000010 dollars. And this token is available on these exchanges: HitBTC, Uniswap, and some important exchanges. And if you want to buy some important altcoins, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of the Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And if you want to open a Bybit exchange, this is the link. Let's dive into the chart and let me please show you what are the targets and why I am saying this. This token can give you 10x to 50x in this year. I will clarify this thing and I will show you why I am very much bullish on this token. This token is currently available at Kick token is available at $0.00071, and here you can see how it is like it is very bullish, I think, right now, because here you can see this is the horizontal resistance which is $0.00081 dollars. Once it breaks this horizontal resistance, then next target will be $0.0001492 dollars. Let me please show you what kind of profit. 83% profit once it break $0.0008144 dollars. And let me please show you the all-time high of this token on this chart. Let me please zoom this and let me please show you why I am saying this. Because this token is available in very cheap and very low price. That is why I think in this bull run, this token can easily can give you 10x to 50x. I think I think that this token can give you. Here you can see. Let me please show you. This is the all-time high, $0.13 dollars, 13.9 cents. And let me please show you how much profit you can expect from this token if this token hit this this zone. If this token hit this zone, here you can see what kind of profit you can generate. And let me please show you all-time high. This is the all-time high, $0.23. And if I calculate this, here you can see $5,800% profit. And once let me please do this again. I think that this token will not hit its all-time high in this bull run, but I think this token can easily give you 10x. I think so. And let me please convert this token into convert this chart into 1 month for more clear picture. Here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart, because this video is very, very important. That is why I think I have to cover all important things of this token. That is why I am making this video. And please thumbs up the like button for the motivation, because I just want to tell you how much profit you can get if you buy this token in this dip. If this token hit 13 cents, then here you can see what kind of profit you can generate. Here you can see what kind of profit. And if this token hit, let me please arrange this chart again, arrange this again. $89,000%. But I think 10x to 15x is 15x, 10x to 15x, or maybe 50x this token can hit. Let me please arrange this, and after that I will show you what is the immediate short-term target and what is the medium duration target for this token right now. Once this token break this horizontal resistance, which is at 0.00080, in that case it have to hit this zone. In that case, our first target is this zone. And according to the technicalities, according to the support and resistance base, this token can give you this is second target. First target is 0.00147 and second target is 0.00162. And after that, after hitting this zone, this token can easily hit this zone. 333%, and price is $0.00351. And I think this token can easily hit 10 to 50x, I think so. If this token hit this, then your profit will be 794%. Let me please show you next target. Once it break this, there is no resistance. In that case, it have to hit this zone, and will have to give you 3000%, 30x. And if this token hit this zone, because there is no resistance in that zone, in that case 17,000% profit. Very, very good and very huge profit, I think so. Let me please arrange this again, and let me please tell you my medium duration and long duration target in USD pair. Let me please do this. Because I want to give you a perfect target, that is why I am trying to cover many things and all aspects, I think. And so please stay and please watch this video complete. because I think so this token can give you, I think 10x is minimum profit this token can easily give you. Let me please arrange this chart. Because this token is available in very cheap price and it is at the bottom right now. That is why I think so this token can easily hit my targets. And according to the fib retracement, our first target, let me please tell you what kind of profit this, if it hit, then what kind of profit this token can hit according to the fib retracement right now. And let me please show you. This is the minimum target according to the fib retracement, and this is the first level, and this can give you 66x profit, I think so. But I think this is very realistic target. 30x, I think so. This token can easily give you 10x to 30x. This is the target. $0.025 is my target for this token in 2021, I think so. This is very realistic target. And let me please show you the BTC pair. And let me please arrange this chart. Because this token is available in very cheap price, very cheap price. And here you can see in BTC pair, this is the horizontal resistance, which is at here you can see. And how much profit this token can give after hitting this? Let me please tell you. 370% profit once it hit this target. And after hitting this is the 5.4 Satoshi, I think so. Let me please confirm this. Yes, it is. Let me please show you. 5.4 Satoshi. Once it hit 5.4 Satoshi, currently it is at 1.2 Satoshi. Once it hit 5.4 Satoshi, this token can easily give you 369% profit. This token is available in very cheap price, and it is at bottom, I think. And this investment can give you very much profit, but I think you should have to do your own research before buying this token. This video is just for informational purpose. I will not responsible any of your investment or financial loss. Here you can see, once it hit 145 Satoshi, in that case, this will be the price. $14.6 Satoshi, and this token can easily give you this target, and this is the minimum target within 6 months. I think this token can hit and can give you 1100 or 11x profit. And after hitting this zone, next target will be this zone, and after hitting this, 30x will be our next target. This token can hit 34.9 Satoshi, or you can say 35 Satoshi, and in that case this token can give you approximately 2900% profit. Or if it hit this 39 Satoshi, in that case 32x. And if this token can hit this zone, then it is 49 Satoshi, and this token can give you 41x in that case. And here there is no resistance. After hitting this, maybe it can hit this zone, and this token, in that case, this token can give you 90x. But I think this is very realistic target, and this token can easily hit this zone, and this is the final target, I think, for 2021, 32x. Because this token is in very cheap price, available in very cheap price, and it is at the bottom right now. And here you can see how much profit this token can give once it hit its all-time high, and this will be the its all-time high. And once it hit this, in that case, here you can see how much profit this token can give in BTC pair. But I think 30 to 40x will be the target for this year 2021. Friend, please keep supporting me, and if you want to buy this token, then please do your own research, and please keep supporting me, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are new and watching this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you are and please join my Telegram channel, because on my Telegram channel I regularly update and post charts and price prediction of different altcoins and BTC charts and price targets. Thanks for the watching, friends, and keep supporting me.